So the question says, the diagram below shows a circle with center O and the points P, Q, L, and N lying on the circumference. Pn is equal to NQ and Rm is a tangent to the circle at L. And angle MLN is equal to 63 degrees. The first one, explain why angle X and angle NQL are equal. So let's look at angle X would be this angle here, of course, and angle NQL would be right at this piece. So they want us to explain why those two are equal. So the reason why those two are equal, so we can say because angles in the same segment subtended by the same arc are equal. And as you can see, they are in the same arc. Angle X would be NPL, and the other angle is NQL. So indeed, they are the same. They are in the same arc, and hence they are equal. So for this question, we could have left it at angles in the same segment are equal, and we can leave it as that. Nevertheless, 1 mark. Next question says, determine the value of each of the following angles. Show detailed work and where possible, give a reason for your answer. So they want us to find angle X. So they want us to find the same angle here. So they want us to find angle X. So we see, let me erase this. So we see the only angle they give us is 63. So that means of course we have to use that 63. So we have angle 63 here, and 63 is formed with the tangent outside the circle and this chord. And then we have another angle formed from the same chord. Let me use another color. So we have angle 63 is formed between the tangent and this chord. And then we have another angle formed from this chord. So we see from the ends of this chord, another angle is formed. And that angle is angle X. So we can say angle X would be equal to 63 degrees because of that. So we say angle X is equal to 63 degrees, and our reason would be the angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. And 2 marks, nice and easy, 2 marks. So we saw that they just gave us 63, so that means we had to use that angle. We had no other angle to use. So next one, they want us to find angle Y. So let's look at where angle Y is. So angle Y would be here. So we want to find for angle Y, and for angle Y, we see, let me use a different color. So we see angle Y, we see a triangle is formed here, and they gave us that these two lines here are equal. And they did not give that by luck and chance, they gave that for a reason. So what we need to do, we need to either find this angle here or this angle and see how that can help us to find for angle Y. So you already know that angle NQL is equal to 63 degrees. Here is equal to 63 degrees because angles in the same segment are equal. So one thing you should note, when you are given an answer at the top, most times you'll have to use it to find for an answer at the bottom in a following question. All right, so we know there is equal to 63 degrees, and because this side is equal to this side, if we shift our paper around, we will see an isosceles triangle is formed, and this side would be equal to this side, so that means this angle here is also 63 degrees. So to find for angle Y, we will say angle Y is equal to 180 subtract 63 plus 63. This will be 180 subtract 63 and 63, 126. So 180 minus 126 would give us 54 degrees. So angle Y is equal to 54 degrees. And our reason would be NQL. NQL is so you can say NQL is an isosceles triangle, and we already showed our calculation here. So this will be the calculation that you will put over in this space, and that is where you'll get your full marks for this question. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video.